Hey Salmon River Canyon, I'm at Hammer Creek Recreation Site on the Big Salmon River. We're just about 5 minutes away from my latest listing in Twin River Ranch. Let's go take a look around. Let's talk about my top 3 favorite features. Number 1, obviously the views. They are absolutely majestic and stunning from that living room. Number 2, this area right here is nice and flat and could be excavated to build a shop, park your jet boat, park your camper. And number 3, this property goes all the way to the creek to the south. If you have any questions about this beautiful home and property, or you'd like to set up your own personal tour, call my cell phone 208-921-0634.